So let's say you're an Android developer, and you're hoping to add some voice commands to your app. Let's take a look at how you can add your first app action to your Android app. We'll do that by adding a voice command to a to-do list app. We'll start out in Android manifest.xml. To use the latest app actions features, you'll want to make sure you've got shortcuts configured first. In order to do that, you'll add metadata tag nested within the activity tag for your app, just like this. Next, you'll create a file called shortcuts.xml, located in the app, source, main, res, XML directory. This is where we'll add a configuration code to set up our built-in intents, or BIIs. BIIs are common voice instructions that use Google's pre-made natural language understanding, or NLU models. For this demo, we're going to use an intent called getThing. Here in shortcuts.xml, you'll add a capability tag for each BII you'll be implementing. For this example, I've added the configuration for getThing. GetThing has an intent tag as its descendant. This is used to define what happens when your voice command triggers getThing. We tell the config which action, package, and class to activate, then pass in the name of the thing that we're trying to query as a parameter. In the case of our to-do list, we'll be searching for the value passed into thing.name within our existing to-do items. Each BII will have its own set of metadata that you can use when your app is triggered by that particular BII. To find out more, you can visit the documentation for BIIs. There you'll see some example queries for the BII, the fields we recommend you use, and the other fields you have access to. Of course, what you do with that incoming information depends on what you're building. Anyway, at this point we've wired up our first app action. So what comes next? Well, you'll probably want to test your app action. To learn more about that, check out our demo on the App Actions Test tool, which you can use to test app actions from within Android Studio.